Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video today to show you how to get free Apex packs or free packs in Apex Legends. I've managed to find some awesome working promo codes that you can enter in-game or in the EA website. And you can also get free Apex coins as well. And this is going to save you a bunch of cash because the coins are pretty expensive, and of course the packs are therefore pretty expensive. So just follow the instructions that I'm going to show you in this video, and this is going to get you tons of free Apex packs. There isn't a set amount that it gives you, but it does give you a lot. I did it and I had like almost 100 packs to open. So head on over to this website on your mobile phone, www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like this, guys, into your internet browser on your phone. And Cold Coupons is a awesome website with tons of different pages on here. You can scroll through and have a look what else they have. But if you go to the search bar and search for Apex Legends, it should pop up, guys. There are currently 3 verified working promo codes. They're being used and they are highly rated today. As I mentioned, you can get a Apex code for free Apex coins. You can also get free Apex packs. And you can also unlock all heirlooms and skins. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. And you can see, guys, it says here, receive a random selection of Apex packs. Now, it does give you tons of packs, guys. These codes are limited, but they are verified, highly rated as well. So like I said, guys, this is going to give you a code that you can redeem in the EA website or in game, and it's going to supply you with your free packs. So you're going to see this page where it says your code is ready and will be revealed in the box below after verification. So essentially, guys, you need to unlock your Apex code. This basically prevents people from stealing these limited codes, so basically taking all of them and getting unlimited packs. So yeah, this does limit 1 code per person. So you're going to see this code unlocker, and it basically gives you a set of instructions here. It says complete 2 of the tasks below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons and follow the instructions. So you're going to have a list of completely free tasks. These can be things like surveys or basically mobile games and applications. You just need to make sure you fully complete 2 of them, and you can see there is a description that tells you how to complete them, and they're all completely free. Just as a quick rough example, this one is a app. It says install, open, and create a free account. So you'd basically grab it from the App Store and do what it says there. So if you fully complete 2 of them, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your code will be fully unlocked and you can redeem it. And this is going to give you your free Apex packs. Anyway, guys, that is it. Go to Cold Coupons and just find the Apex Legends promo codes page and select which code you want. So enjoy, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.